Oh, she's a queen. That's so cute. Hey everyone, it is Destiny Cecile. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do my everyday makeup routine, whether I'm going to class or going to the store, just things I do every day. I was about to say that I don't typically put on makeup, but I would be lying. I love putting on makeup. Makeup is a passion I've had since I was really young. I'm not amazing at it. This is not a tutorial, but I'm not gonna make this intro too long, so let's get started. So I'm gonna be looking this way because my mirror is facing this way, but you know, you dig. So I have a clean washed face right now. I have some African shea butter on, and yeah, my face is all prepped to do makeup skincare wise. Starting first, not to prime is a crime, so I use the Fenty Beauty mattifying primer. I'm actually running low on it. I need to go makeup shopping. There's actually an Ulta right across the street from my building because I don't live on campus, so I kind of live like in a hotel down the street, and across the street is an Ulta, so I'm probably gonna go to Ulta to go shopping because I'm running low on a lot of things, girl. So I'm gonna have this sit for like 30 seconds maybe and just let it set into my face. This is mattifying, which is great because I do have naturally oily skin and I actually hate it during the summer, but since it's cold outside right now, my skin has been looking pretty good lately. I start off with foundation. I know some people start off with eyebrows. I used to start off with eyebrows when I first started doing makeup, but I like getting my base at least finished before I start my eyebrows. I don't know what it is, but that's just my personal preference. For foundation, I use the Soft Matte Fenty Beauty foundation, and I am in the shade 385. Now we're gonna do what we have to do, girl. That was kind of a heavy amount, girl. Oh well, we'll blend in, it's fine. Throughout my face with this. And it's so weird because sometimes this foundation like perfectly matches me and there's some days where it doesn't. I have no clue what that is. So I do get color matched because I don't like it when I choose something out and it doesn't work. It's actually like 6 o'clock right now, but I'm doing makeup because I'm probably gonna make some content tonight. I usually make my content at night. I don't know what it is, and I'll stay up till like 4 in the morning to edit my YouTube videos. I don't know. My classes don't start till the afternoon, so I just sleep the entire morning. I use a lot of name brand foundations because when it comes to foundations, I'm really specific on what I want. I've used Fenty, I've used NARS, I've used Too Faced. I will say Fenty is the least full coverage. I would say NARS does a really good job, but the one that I have from NARS is very, very, very oily for my skin, so I choose not to use that one. I'm using concealer. This is in 385 as well. I recently got this on my winter break, but I'm already running out. Like, do I put on that much makeup? I know the girls have a specific way to put on their concealer, but I honestly just put a ton because I have really baggy eyes. But I know girlies usually do that and they're done. Yeah, no. I'm gonna get in there, girl. I'm gonna do my chin. And I do like a little line on my nose. I'm not good at doing like nose contour and stuff like that, so just fair warning. Again, this is not a makeup tutorial, girl. Like, girl, I like to let my concealer sit in for a few minutes just because I feel like, I don't know, as I let it sit in, it's doing its magic. So while it's doing its magic, I'm gonna go ahead and start my eyebrows. I have not gotten my eyebrows done in a cool minute. I need to get my eyebrows done. I usually only get them waxed. I've never got them threaded, and I heard threaded gets like a more precise feel, but I don't know. I just have always done waxing. Let me know if you guys do wax or thread. I don't know, girl. I just go with the flow, to be honest, queen. I like to use pencils for my eyebrows. I feel like pencils do a better job when shaping your eyebrow. This is from the Beauty Supply. I just got this today. Oh my god, it's so funny because the name of these pencils are Eden, and that's, if you know I want to name my first child Eden. That's like a God-given. Like, I'm already saying it out for the world. I'm not even 20 yet. I'm 19. Just like a given, like my child's name is gonna be Eden. So if you guys take it, you took it for me. I'm not queen eyebrow. I don't do perfect job at eyebrows, but I'm just gonna go in and kind of like do a little arch and do my magic and see if that, you know. Hopefully they're not too dark. Now this pencil looks really dark. Like it's dark brown, but it literally looks black. But we're just gonna go through and see if I can fix it. Looks crazy now, y'all, but trust the process, I promise. It'll look good, I promise. My concealer, and I'm kind of like lining them up. Again, I'm not perfect at brows. They're not my specialty, girlfriend. But I try to like make them as precise as possible. But you know, brows are not twins, they are sisters. Okay, queen? Also, when you're using a pencil, especially as dark as this one, you want to make sure you're really light-handed, or else your eyebrows are going to look super like dark. You don't want that. The Fenty applicator, because it's just like my brush, so I kind of just like move it this way and I kind of follow whatever arch that I want to do. The process. This is typically my better eyebrow. Just like naturally, I don't know. What's you guys' like better eyebrow? I know my left eyebrow is way better than my right eyebrow. Like this, and now I'm going to blend in like my under eye, my chin, and my nose. Makeup is something that takes time. I feel like it's like art, you know? Queen. Queen. I do want to say thank you to the people that are like tuning in, because I'm really getting DMs of people like actually watching my videos, and that's iconic. Like, you're really a queen. You're really a queen, because I never thought my YouTube era would actually be like an era that I'm focused in, but right now I've been thriving more than ever, and I just want to say thank y'all, for real. Even my cute little 300 subscribers, you guys are all queens, all of you. Blending out my brows, I take really good time into this. I'm just gonna take a brush and honestly just like take my time within blending it, and at the end I'll probably use my beauty blender to kind of blend everything in. The like fronts of my eyebrows look too unnatural for me, so what I'm gonna do is just take this little brush and kind of blend in the front so it kind of shows the hairs, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now to me, I've gotten like my main part done. Now everything else is low-key just for funsies. I feel like if this part looks good, then the rest of your makeup should kind of follow. Is just really all about your base. Revolution bronzer. I've had this for a minute now, and I'm just gonna take my little mini bronzer brush. I don't like to contour and do all that too much because I'm not really good at it. So we're just gonna do a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna do a little bit of my nose. Again, this is my everyday routine, so I don't go too much into detail, just doing the sides of my nose a little. For my blush, I'm really into these e.l.f. putty blushes. I know e.l.f. just came out with like a new blush. I've been using these for years. They work really great. I'm using the shade Caribbean, and I'm gonna have some fun with that. Take a little brush. These do last a long time because the consistency is like a putty. So I do like that they last a really long time. Pile up my brush with it because I love a good blush. I like to smile when I do it because I like it when my blush is like directly right here. So I like to smile when I do it. Force of habit. Time I go to Ulta, I want to get the Juvia's Place ones because I've seen them all over TikTok and how pigmented they are, and I'm like, that's perfect for my skin. And I'm going to use my favorite mascaras in the whole world. These are the Essence mascaras. If you have not tried these are amazing. They work great. I don't have super long eyelashes. My mom has amazing eyelashes, but whenever I put these on, you can tell like I have mascara on and like my lashes are actually visible. And I like these a lot because putting on lashes are just a hassle, especially like I said, this makeup routine is usually something I would do for class, and I don't have time to be putting on lashes for class, girl. Like, nah. See, look at how good that is. Like, what? Almost done, y'all, almost done. Take off any makeup or whatever that I got on my lips. We're gonna start with our lip combo. This little mirror, because I obviously want to get really into it when it comes to your lips, girl. Oh, that wasn't smart. Okay, girl. So I'm gonna use the same pencil I kind of used for my brows, but I'm gonna go very lightly because this is actually pretty dark and I don't want to go too dark, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this. Sorry if my lighting is low-key. Hello? Of course I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss. All the NYX Butter Glosses are amazing. I always have one in my purse. I'm gonna be using Bit of Honey today. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on. Lip gloss. The Broadway lip gloss is bomb, y'all. Like, I just bought this one today from the Beauty Supply and I love her so much. One of my last steps, I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place pressed powder in the shade Kalahari. I love this pressed powder. I low-key beat it up, but I love this pressed powder. Ugh. Okay, the one con about this lip gloss is, like, it's really gummy. Remember that TikTok lady? Where did she go when she was like that white gooey stuff? You guys know what I'm talking about? She was like viral in 2020. What happened to her? She was a queen. Take one of these puffy thingies and go ahead and apply it under my eyes. Kind of pat it in with my makeup. I love these pat things. You could get them off of Amazon. I just got this one from the Beauty Supply. But I love the way, I always have one of them in my purse. Whoa. Oh, she's a queen. That's so cute. I'm using my Essence Fit and Last 18-Hour Fixing Spray. I like to use my Morphe one, but I just ran out, so I'm just gonna use this really quick. Girls. Oh wait, my face is wet. Okay, maybe we OD'd on it. Oops. Pretty much what I do for my everyday makeup look. I do love doing makeup. It makes me feel more like, you know, in my feminine era, which I've always been since the day I was born, because I'm a girly girl to a T. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick little routine video. I'm probably going to make content for the rest of the evening and call it a night. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!